Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting a portrait video now. Hold the device vertically and keep it steady. First, choose resolution and frame rate, 4K for detail, 1080p for smaller files, and pick 24, 30, or 60 FPS based on motion. Once done, enable the grid to follow composition rules and lock exposure and focus to avoid shifts. Make sure stabilization is on or use a small gimbal. Using a portrait-friendly lens or smartphone macro will keep your subject crisp and centered. Once you have the camera rolling vertically, frame the subject at eye level and use the grid lines to apply rule of thirds for pleasing composition. Adjust lighting. Position a soft key light in front, add a 1/3 fill or reflector to reduce harsh shadows, and avoid bright backlight unless intentionally silhouetting. For sound, attach a lavalier or shotgun microphone, monitor levels on screen, and use a dead cat or foam for wind. Make sure cables and battery life are managed before extended takes. You're in the final phase. Edit on a 9:16 timeline to maintain portrait framing, trim clips, and adjust pace. Color correct and match exposure across shots, then add vertical safe titles and captions so text isn't cut on platforms. Export using H.264 or H.265 in 9:16 at 1080p or 4K with bitrate suited to your delivery platform. If problems occur, stabilize shaky footage, fix audio sync drift, and relight or color match clips.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.